traditionally, especially in the banking world, we have been all using core banking solutions, whether from TCS or Finacle or anywhere else, or FIS. And there's a large data set available with banks. But the challenge has been, or at least was till some time back, was to how to analyze this data, because these core banking solutions really can't help you navigate through this data and make much more sense of it. I think that's where a lot of new applications are now moving to cloud. And for two things. One, you are today able to test a new product on cloud much faster, be far more nimble, and make changes. At the same time, the analytical tools that are today available, that one can make them sit over cloud, whichever cloud you may be using, and analyze it and understand client insights, and then provide them real-time solutions, is becoming far more relevant in today's day and time. And that's one of the reasons that you have seen we have recently tied up with Google and trying to move a lot of our applications onto that platform. One of my earlier board members once called me and said, Maneesh, you guys always keep trying to analyze data, but you have such huge wealth of information available internally within the bank itself, and you are fighting for information outside the bank always. Of course, from an asset perspective, you will go to credit bureaus and get information because you can understand who's creditworthiness and not. But actually, data sitting internally with the bank, your transactions that you're doing through your banking, gives me a huge wealth of information about you. What kind of a person you are? What are your likes and dislikes? Where are you spending? And especially in the last 2 years, all of us have been making payments, not necessarily through credit cards, but through UPI. And that tells you that where have you actually made payments? What kind of restaurants that Satish spoke about do you like? Where do you spend? Where are you spending? And can I give you more tailor-made offers which suit your needs so that your stickiness with the bank continues that much more? The other challenge on data is that data is not it only doesn't reside with the business intelligence team. It's important that this data gets combined with insights, with technology, marketing, to automate personalized experiences. And at the same time, how do you weave data fabric between existing internal data and external data, something that Abhay spoke about earlier as well. We have now started launching a lot of new products, as I said, on the cloud. This helps us understand where do clients drop out, where can you pick up the thread again, and actually tickle the client to continue the journey and complete the transactions or buy a new product from the bank. So those are some of the other important elements that we are seeing, how to play around with data actually in today's day and age.